Students, welcome to this offline session. Today we will be learning one more interesting topic in this video. So students, as you can see, I have few pens. Obviously, all are of same size, which I will be arranging in a certain manner. So students, if I mark these points and join all, then what I'll get? Yes students, you guessed it correct. Circle. Here, this point we can consider as a center of the circle. As you can observe students, all the points are at equal distance from the center. The distance between any point of the circle and the center is called the radius. Here, all the pens are representing to the radii of the circle. Radii is the plural of radius. Students, using this compass, we will draw a circle. So here is a circle. And this is the center point of the circle, which we are naming O. So here, circle of this center of the circle is O. Now we can define the circle as circle is a collection of points equidistant from a fixed distance called center. Circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. This is the circumference of this circle. Students, as we learned before only, if we take any point on the boundary of the circle, for example, if we have taken point B over here and we join it, then we will get the line segment OB. We will get the line segment OB. So OB is the radius of the circle, which we have already learned. So how we can define the radius? The radius is the distance between the center of a circle and at any point on the boundary of the circle. So here line segment OB is nothing but the radius of the circle, and plural of the radius is radii. Students, if we take any 2 points on the boundary, let's say here we have taken point P and here we have taken point Q, and we join these 2 points with the help of ruler. So we will get line segment PQ. So line segment PQ is the chord of the circle. There are infinite chord in this circle. Let's take one more point on the boundary of the circle A, and when we are joining this point A and O, then we will get the line segment AB. So this line segment AB is also the chord of the circle, but it is passing through the center O. The difference between this chord and this chord, this is the longest chord of the circle and it is passing through the center. So the chord which is passing through the center is known as diameter of the circle. The longest line segment passing through the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. Students, as we know, diameter we can represent with small d and radius we can represent with small r. So here OB is the radius and even OA is the radius. If we are saying AB is the diameter of the circle, that means it has two radii, OA and OB. So we can say diameter is twice of the radius, or you can say radius is half of the diameter. Right, students? So here it is all about the circle, students. One more thing I would like to tell you. The circle, here you can see circle, many circles are there, but they have common center O. So such circles are known as concentric circle. Means circles with the same center is known as concentric circle. Thank you, students. It's all about circle today.